In this video, we'll guide you through creating a custom route using the Routing Preferences page in AlemHealth Admin. This feature helps automate the assignment of studies to radiologists based on the criteria you set, ensuring smooth and efficient workflows. To begin, head to the Routing Preferences tab from the main menu in AlemHealth Admin. This is where you can create, manage, and edit all study routing rules. Next, click the Create Route button. This will open a new window where you can configure a routing rule that suits your facility's needs. First, choose the routing criteria for the studies. Select the urgency, then modality, such as CT, MRI, or X-ray, and finally, the specific body part that applies to the route. For now, we will choose a routine urgency MRI for the chest region. Next, select the source facility from where the studies will be coming. This ensures that your routing rule applies only to the chosen location. You can search for your specific location as per your needs. Now, choose the date or schedule. You can either select a specific date range or set a recurring schedule, which helps manage study routing based on availability or planned events at your facility. Once the schedule is set, assign the radiologist who will be receiving the studies. You can choose radiologists based on their availability, idle times, or specialization. This step helps ensure the right radiologist gets the right study at the right time. Finally, give your route a name and description to easily identify it later. Click Save to activate the route. From now on, the system will automatically assign studies based on the criteria and schedule you've set. You can manage all active routes from the Routing Preferences page. Here, you can view, edit, or delete any routing rules, ensuring your workflow remains flexible as your facility's needs change. That's it. You've successfully created a custom routing rule in AlemHealth Admin. By automating study assignments, you're optimizing your radiologist's workload and improving overall efficiency. For further support, visit our help center or contact our team. Start using the routing feature today to streamline study assignments and enhance your facility's operations with AlemHealth Admin.